This is going to be a product review on a professional derma roller. I purchased this item because I needed something that was very sturdy, something that feels more professional when using it, and something that gets the job done. And this right here does the trick. I had this derma roller for 2 years now, and as you can see, it's still in great condition, and it's nice and firm, so you don't have to worry about the needles bending or anything like that. So I give this a 5 out of 5, mostly because I had it for a while and it really does a trick and it helped my beard fill all the way in. So if you're looking for something to where it can help your hair grow, I recommend anybody to get this.